Good morning, dear. Today we are going to start introductory lecture of resources and development. In this chapter, we will discuss about different types of resources, classification of resources, and what are different ways to protect, to conserve natural resources, sustainable development, what are different principles of sustainable development, and classification of soil, black soil, arid soil, alluvial soil, laterite soil, like. So let's start introduction of today's chapter. So dear, today we are going to discuss this chapter through a basic concept or flowchart. In this, first classification of resources are renewable resources. Those resources are renewable. We have no fear of their exhaustion. They may be renewed like solar, wind, such resources. Non-renewable resources are those resources can't renew. Continue use in future, such resources may be exhausted. These resources consider non-renewable resources like coal. And next classification of resources on the basis of ownership, resources are classified into four categories: individual resources, community resources, national resources, and international resources. Individual resources are individual property, personal, suppose like your father land, house, these are individual resources. Community which used by community, like park, like pasture land are example of community resource. National resources like forest, these are national resources, property of nation. International resources, such resources are found whatever criteria given by international communities. Such resources consider international resources. Next classification of resources are basis on the development, status of development. These resources are classified into potential resources which we are not using in present, developed resources which we are using, stock, we know about their stock, reserves, maybe reserves for future. This classification we will discuss in this chapter. And apart from that, why resources conservation should be required, we will discuss also in this chapter. And let's see the classification of different types of soil. So let's continue here. Other point we will discuss in this chapter are development of resources. What are the development of resources? What are different planning in present we are doing to protect, to conserve resources? What is our future planning? What are sustainable development? And why resources are important to us? So we will discuss in next topic. We will discuss resources planning in India. And last topic in this chapter, land resources. In this first land pattern means how to we are using land for a different pattern, for different purpose. We are using land for industrialization, we are using land for shelter purpose, we are using land for agriculture purpose, we are using land for pasture land, we are using land for to construct development programs like this. What are land pattern which we are using? That will discuss. Land degradation, quality of soil, quality of land, how it degrade. What are causes? Suppose we are leaving wastage water by different industries, open ground, so quality of soil degrade due to the deforestation. And what are different ways we can conserve the land resources? As in same chapter, you will study in class 8th also. In class 8th, different pattern of land, degradation of land, and what are the different way, what are different technique, what are different way through this we can conserve the land resources like counter plunging, shelter belt. These are the way by constructing the dam, concrete dam. These are the way to protect land. We'll discuss in this chapter. Soil as resources and its important resources. Agriculture are common activity. Most of population are depend on that, and it is possible through the use of soil. If quality of soil, land may be degraded, it will be affected our production. At the last, types of soil, different types of soil we'll discuss like desert soil, black soil, alluvial soil, laterite soil. These different type of soil we'll discuss, and from that what are important, you know, map question also asked by board. Sometime what happens, they may be located the different types of soil and identify the soil, which type of soil in particular state. Such type of question may be asked by board exam, CBSE exam. So this is interesting chapter here, and tomorrow onwards we'll continue. Today I am given only introductory part of this chapter. So let's start topic by topic this chapter from next lecture. Thanks, have a good day.